The secret to strong steps in your golden years, these 4 simple teas. If you're over 60 and noticing your legs aren't as steady as they used to be, getting tired faster, feeling weaker, or struggling to keep your balance, this isn't just old age catching up with you. Scientists have discovered something remarkable. Certain natural teas can actually help restore leg strength, improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and boost your energy, without medication or exhausting workouts. The best part? They're simple, safe, and backed by solid research. In Japan, a long-term study tracking thousands of older adults found that those who regularly drank green tea were far more likely to maintain muscle strength and balance well into their later years. You can even see this in real life. Like legendary Japanese sprinter Hidekichi Miyazaki, who credited his daily cup of green tea as one of the habits that kept him running past the age of 100. In this article, I will share the top 4 teas for boosting leg strength and energy in seniors. Each has been carefully chosen and verified by a team of health researchers, so you can trust every word. And if you stay with me until the very end, I'll share a little-known tea ingredient that's been shown to supercharge blood flow and fight muscle fatigue in older adults. You won't want to miss this. 1. Ginger turmeric tea. There's a reason many older adults are turning to a simple, golden-colored tea each morning. It's gentle, warming, and can quietly help restore leg strength while giving your energy a natural lift. If you've started to notice your legs feeling heavier on walks, or if you're catching your breath halfway up the stairs, this drink could quickly earn a permanent spot in your daily routine. The power comes from 2 remarkable roots, ginger and turmeric. Both have been trusted for centuries in traditional medicine, and today, science backs up their benefits. Together, they do more than create a pleasant, slightly spicy flavor. They actively address one of the biggest roadblocks to moving comfortably after 60, inflammation. This silent troublemaker can leave joints swollen, muscles stiff, and even light activity followed by aching fatigue. For many, it's not weak muscles alone slowing them down, it's the pain that lingers after moving. Ginger turmeric tea helps tackle that issue from the inside out. Ginger contains gingerols, natural compounds proven to support healthy blood flow. Think of your muscles as hard-working machines. They can only stay strong if they're constantly fueled with oxygen-rich blood. When circulation slows, those muscles don't get enough nutrients to repair and rebuild, leading to unsteadiness and tired legs. Drinking ginger tea regularly can gently improve circulation, making each step feel surer and lighter. Turmeric adds its own champion compound, curcumin, well known for calming inflammation. It also helps protect muscle fibers from breaking down and supports faster recovery after activity. If your knees crack when you stand or you feel soreness after even a short walk, curcumin works to quiet that irritation so muscles can focus on supporting and stabilizing your body. This tea doesn't just help your legs, it can also give you steady energy throughout the day. Unlike coffee, which can leave you jittery, ginger supports your metabolism, helping your body turn food into usable energy more efficiently. That means fewer sluggish afternoons and more motivation to move, stretch, or go for a short walk. Brewing it is simple. Slice a few pieces of fresh ginger. Add a teaspoon of ground turmeric or fresh turmeric if you can find it. Pour in hot water and let it steep for about 10 minutes. A pinch of black pepper boosts your body's ability to absorb curcumin. And you can sweeten with a little honey or add lemon for brightness. Some people feel a difference in just a few days, while for others, it takes a couple of weeks. The key is making it part of your routine. 1 cup each morning can do wonders for your legs and energy levels. In India, families have used ginger turmeric tea for generations to keep joints flexible and daily aches under control. Even NBA star Stephen Curry has spoken about including turmeric in his recovery plan. You don't need to be a professional athlete to benefit, just consistency and a warm cup in your hands. If you're ready to support your legs, ease discomfort, and enjoy a natural boost in energy, ginger turmeric tea is one of the easiest, most enjoyable ways to begin. 2. Ginseng green tea. If your legs start giving out halfway through the day, or you feel your energy slipping before the afternoon even arrives, this next tea might be the gentle push your body has been waiting for. Ginseng green tea works like a quiet but powerful wake-up call for your whole system, your muscles, your mind, and especially those tired legs. This blend brings together two heavy hitters. The first is green tea, packed with natural antioxidants and steady energy enhancers. The second is ginseng, a root treasured in traditional medicine for centuries for its ability to fight fatigue, build stamina, and bring vitality back to the body. One reason ginseng works so well for your legs is its adaptogenic effect. It helps the body cope with stress. And yes, aging is a form of daily stress on your joints and muscles. By easing that internal strain, ginseng makes movement feel less like a battle. So every step requires less effort. But the benefits don't stop there. Studies have found that ginseng can improve muscle performance and endurance by helping your body use oxygen more efficiently. That means your muscles get more fuel from every breath you take. Over time, this translates to longer walks, easier stair climbs, and running errands without feeling drained afterward. Now, when you combine ginseng with green tea, the results multiply. Green tea is rich in catechins, potent antioxidants that protect your muscles and joints from damage caused by free radicals. Those free radicals are what make tissues wear down faster, leaving your legs feeling older than they are. By fighting them off, green tea supports your body's natural repair process, helping your legs stay strong and your joints move with ease. Unlike coffee, which can cause jittery highs and sudden crashes, green tea delivers a calm, balanced energy thanks to L-theanine, an amino acid that sharpens focus while keeping you relaxed. Add ginseng to the mix, and you get a steady boost that fuels both your body and your mind for hours. And that mental clarity matters. When you feel sharper and more alert, you're more likely to get up, move, and stay active, using your legs more, which in turn builds their strength. In this way, ginseng green tea doesn't just energize you physically, it also inspires the mindset that keeps you moving. Brewing it at home is simple. Start by boiling a cup of water. Then let it cool just slightly so it's hot, but not boiling. Steep a green tea bag for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add a few thin slices of fresh ginseng root, or about a 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginseng powder if that's what you have. Let it steep for another 5 minutes. Then finish with honey or lemon if you like. This isn't a magic overnight fix, it's a habit that works quietly in the background, improving your balance, mobility, and energy bit by bit. In fact, research published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine found that older adults who consumed ginseng regularly had stronger lower body muscles and less fatigue in daily life. It's also a favorite in real life. Actor Jackie Chan, now in his 70s, has mentioned using ginseng tea to stay active for demanding roles. If someone his age can keep up with intense physical work, imagine the lift it could give your own walks, stair climbs, or light workouts. If you're ready to swap dragging steps for a livelier, more confident stride, consider making ginseng green tea part of your day. It's more than just a soothing drink, it's a daily dose of strength and clarity that supports the healthiest version of you. 3. Ashwagandha root tea. Our next tea is more than just a leg strength booster. It's a calming, restorative drink for your whole body. Ashwagandha root tea might not be something you've tried before, but for many people, it's a game changer. Ashwagandha is what's known as an adaptogen, a plant that helps your body adapt to stress, fight fatigue, and cope with the natural wear and tear of aging. That's especially valuable later in life because muscle loss isn't only caused by moving less. Stress, poor sleep, and hormonal shifts, particularly in cortisol and testosterone, can quietly chip away at your energy and muscle tone. Imagine waking up in the morning without that heavy, sluggish feeling in your legs. Instead, you feel steady, calm, and ready to move. That's the kind of change many people notice after making ashwagandha tea part of their daily routine. Here's why it works. When stress builds up, whether from health worries, financial strain, or restless nights, your body produces more cortisol, the main stress hormone. High cortisol over time weakens muscles, encourages belly fat, and drains your energy reserves. Ashwagandha helps bring cortisol back into balance, calming your nervous system and sending your body a signal that it's safe to repair and rebuild. That simple shift allows your body to focus on healing and restoring strength, rather than staying stuck in breakdown mode. The benefits don't end there. Multiple studies have shown that ashwagandha can improve both strength and stamina in older adults. In one trial, seniors who took it daily saw clear gains in lower body strength, better balance, and more endurance, all within a matter of weeks. It's not a quick trick, it's your body performing at its best once it gets the right support. Ashwagandha also nourishes your nervous system, which is critical for stability when you walk or stand. If you've ever felt wobbly, or like your legs weren't fully under your control, weak nerve-muscle communication could be part of the cause. This root helps strengthen those signals, leading to better coordination and responsiveness. And if sleep has been an issue, this tea can help there too. Having it in the evening can quiet a racing mind, ease nighttime anxiety, and encourage deep, restorative rest. That's important because your muscles do their repair work while you sleep. Without quality rest, rebuilding strength is an uphill battle. No matter how good your nutrition is, making ashwagandha tea is simple. You can find the root dried, powdered, or in tea blends, but the whole dried root is most effective. Use about a teaspoon. Simmer gently in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain, and enjoy warm. For a richer flavor, add a bit of cinnamon or honey. The earthy, nutty taste pairs beautifully with warm spices. Some people drink it in the morning for steady energy. Others prefer it at night to promote recovery while they sleep. The key is consistency. Wellness experts, including Dr. Frank Lipman, often recommend ashwagandha for older clients dealing with stress and fatigue. Even high-profile health advocates over 60, like members of Gwyneth Paltrow's wellness team, have highlighted adaptogens for balanced energy and better sleep. While they may promote it for overall well-being, older adults often notice an extra benefit: stronger legs, steadier balance, and a calm, lasting energy that makes daily movement easier. If you're looking for more stability in your steps, less stress weighing you down, and a sense of peace that carries through the day, ashwagandha root tea is worth a try. It's not just about muscle strength, it's about restoring balance to your body and mind, which is the foundation for staying active and vibrant at any age. 4. Hibiscus tea. Our final tea is as beautiful to look at as it is powerful for your health. Deep red, slightly tangy, and naturally caffeine-free, hibiscus tea has been enjoyed around the world for centuries, not just for its flavor, but for the way it supports circulation, muscle health, and overall vitality. If your legs have been feeling sluggish, achy, or prone to swelling, this tea might be exactly what you need to bring that light, steady feeling back to your stride. Hibiscus flowers are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, the same compounds that give berries their rich colors and protective benefits. These antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, one of the silent culprits behind aging muscles and stiff joints. Over time, oxidative stress can damage the blood vessels that feed your muscles, leading to slower recovery and less endurance. By reducing this damage, hibiscus tea helps your legs get the steady blood flow they need to stay strong. One of hibiscus tea's most celebrated benefits is its ability to help maintain healthy blood pressure. High blood pressure doesn't just affect the heart, it also strains your legs by making circulation less efficient. A well-known study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that adults who drank hibiscus tea daily saw significant drops in their systolic blood pressure in just 6 weeks. For older adults, that improvement can mean more oxygen reaching the muscles with every heartbeat, translating into better stamina and less heaviness in the legs. Hibiscus is also rich in vitamin C, a nutrient essential for collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your muscles, tendons, and ligaments strong and flexible. As we age, collagen naturally declines, which can make movements feel stiffer and recovery slower. By supporting collagen formation, hibiscus tea can help you maintain smoother, more confident movement. And here's something many people love about this tea: it's naturally hydrating. Dehydration is a hidden cause of muscle cramps and fatigue, especially in older adults who may not feel as thirsty as they once did. Drinking hibiscus tea regularly helps you stay hydrated while also delivering a steady supply of nutrients to your muscles. Brewing it is simple. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus petals for each cup of hot water. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes until the color turns a deep ruby red. You can enjoy it hot in the cooler months or chilled over ice for a refreshing summer drink. For a flavor twist, add a slice of orange or a stick of cinnamon. If you find the tartness a little strong, a touch of honey can soften it without overpowering the flavor. Some people notice lighter, more energized legs within a couple of weeks of making hibiscus tea part of their routine. The key, as with the other teas we've talked about, is consistency. Whether you drink it in the morning to start your day or in the afternoon as a pick-me-up, the benefits build over time. Real-life examples of hibiscus tea's impact aren't hard to find. In parts of the Caribbean, Africa, and Latin America, it's been used for generations not only as a cooling drink but as a daily tonic for circulation and joint health. Even in modern wellness communities, hibiscus tea has gained attention for its heart-protective and muscle-friendly effects. Wellness advocate and chef Carla Hall, known for her energy and vibrant personality, has shared hibiscus tea as one of her go-to drinks for staying active and refreshed. If you want to improve blood flow, protect your muscles, and enjoy a drink that feels like a treat while quietly working to strengthen your legs, hibiscus tea is a perfect choice. It's more than just a pretty color in your cup, it's a daily habit that supports your heart, your muscles, and your energy, helping you stay active and confident at any age. And there you have it. 4 simple, powerful teas that can help bring life back to your legs, steady your balance, and keep your energy going strong. None of them are rare or hard to find. They're small daily habits that quietly work in the background, calming inflammation, improving circulation, supporting your muscles, and restoring balance to your whole body. The truth is, staying active and strong after 60 doesn't always mean pushing yourself harder. Sometimes it's about giving your body the right kind of support so it can do what it's meant to do: heal, rebuild, and keep you moving, one warm cup at a time. You can feel that difference. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one of these teas and make it part of your daily routine for the next 2 weeks. Pay attention to how your legs feel, how your energy changes, and even how your mood shifts. You might be surprised at the quiet transformation that happens when you nourish your body this way. Here's to stronger steps, lighter legs, and a healthier you, starting with your next cup of tea.